somebody sends. He's light and fragile and feathered sky blue, so thin and graceful the sun shines through. This little bird who lives on the wind, this little bird that somebody sent. He flies so high up in the sky, out of reach of human eye, and the only time that he touches the ground is when that little bird, is when that little bird, is when that little bird